Today I thought, why not share the designs that I create with ChatGPT for Amazon Merch on Demand, RedBubble, and Teepublic. I'm making a video so that what I do can be replicated by you too. Therefore, I won't use the already prepared GPT design creator that I showed you in the previous video. Instead, I'll write prompts directly into ChatGPT. Today you'll see that my first prompts are very simple and unprepared, so the results will be as they are. Before we begin, you'll find all the prompts I used under this video so you can copy them easily if you want. Let's go. A very simple prompt. Please generate a fishing-themed design. Requirements: vector-style image for merchandise, black isolated background. Ouch, it's messy and I'm going to tell that to ChatGPT. And here's the second one. The first impression is not great. I wanted to generate another one, but wait. First of all, never expect that ChatGPT will read your mind and generate something you have imagined. Secondly, I imagined something that I have seen on Amazon hundreds of times. This design is different, and I think it's a way to go. If you don't try it, you'll never know. Next is a prompt for listings. Please write listings for Amazon Merch on Demand and RedBubble platforms. Plus, I added specific requirements for Amazon and RedBubble. This one is not good. I'll try to quickly explain to ChatGPT what's wrong. Not better. I'll try to explain in a bit more detail. Actually, such mistakes are good. They help you learn and craft a prompt that perfectly fits your needs for future generations. Next time, I will use an already improved prompt based on today's mistakes. Here it is. Not perfect, but much better. Next, vectorize the image, clean it up, and increase its size to fit the platform requirements where you're going to use it. And of course, upload it to the desired platforms.